The year is 2026, and Lamborghini has just shattered expectations with something no one thought possible, a motorhome camper that carries the Raging Bull emblem. The Lamborghini Motorhome Camper isn't just transportation, it's a moving masterpiece, a supercar reborn as a luxury palace on wheels, and it blends outrageous Italian design with the comfort of a five-star resort. This is where raw performance collides with untamed luxury. From the outside, the Lamborghini Motorhome strikes you instantly with its menacing presence. Angular lines inspired by the Aventador, a low aggressive stance despite its massive size, and sculpted aerodynamics that don't just look like art, they slice through the wind like a predator on the hunt. The signature Y-shaped LED lights blaze like eyes in the night, and the massive rear end carries an exhaust system that hints at the beast hidden beneath. At the heart of it all, a V12 hybrid powertrain delivering over 1,000 horsepower ensures that this isn't just a motorhome, it's a raging bull disguised as a luxury mansion. Step closer, and the Lamborghini DNA becomes even clearer. Carbon fiber accents, forged alloys, and scissor-style doors for the cockpit entrance set the tone before you even walk inside. The sound of the engine at idle has that spine-tingling growl we know from Lamborghini, yet it's refined, balanced by electric motors that provide whisper-quiet cruising when you want serenity. This is power and elegance, engineered into one rolling sanctuary. Now, enter the interior, and you'll discover a world that feels like stepping into the private suite of a superyacht or a high-rise penthouse in Milan. Every detail has been handcrafted with Italian artistry, alcantara, fine leathers, carbon fiber panels, and brushed aluminum. The lounge area opens up like a designer living room, complete with a retractable cinema screen, ambient LED lighting that shifts with your mood, and panoramic glass walls that make the world outside feel like part of your journey. The kitchen is nothing short of futuristic, with seamlessly integrated appliances, voice-controlled systems, and a wine cellar built to Lamborghini's signature hexagonal design. The dining space feels intimate yet grand, perfect for hosting dinner on the open road. Walk further, and the master bedroom greets you with a king-sized floating bed, Lamborghini's signature hexagonal pattern stitched into the headboard, and a starlight ceiling inspired by the Aventador's night drives. It's a sanctuary that makes you forget you're inside a vehicle. The bathroom rivals luxury hotels, with Italian marble finishes, rainfall showers, and smart glass walls that can frost over at the touch of a button for privacy. Technology runs deep through every corner. A fully autonomous driving system allows the motorhome to cruise effortlessly while you relax. Solar integration keeps the systems powered, and AI-assisted controls let you command lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even driving preferences with a single word. Everything is engineered to keep you in control, yet always wrapped in comfort. But make no mistake, this Lamborghini motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about speed and soul. On open highways, it can unleash supercar-level acceleration, pushing this massive rolling mansion from 0 to 60 faster than most sports cars. Adaptive suspension and Lamborghini's all-wheel drive technology make mountain roads and desert dunes equally effortless. It's not just a camper, it's a beast capable of conquering landscapes with elegance and ferocity. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome Camper is the boldest statement ever made in the world of travel. It says that you can have performance, passion, and power, without sacrificing space, comfort, or luxury. It's a motorhome for those who don't just want to travel, but to dominate the road while living in the future of design and technology. This isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about making every journey an unforgettable experience. This is Lamborghini unleashed on the open road, and it changes everything you thought a motorhome could be.